The ownership of Bitcoin, it's 80%, maybe 70% outside the US. It's really a globally held asset class. So I would say I think they're very limited. Plus, consider size, right? Bitcoin's $100 billion market cap. The S&P 500 is close to $30 trillion.
Right,
I mean,
it's less than one company on the market, basically. It's not that much size. But I want to get to, Tom, just real quickly here, 8660 Bitcoin we're seeing on the chart. What's a target there? You've got 3025 for the end of the year S&P. Are we going to see 3,000? Are we going to say 30,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year? Where does this go, Tom?
Well, we believe Bitcoin will see 20,000 by mid-year. So in the next 5 months, a real recovery in price, and then 25,000 by the end of this year. So we see Bitcoin essentially tripling. So we're still very constructive on cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is still the most important and liquid of those crypto assets.
So there you go. They're calling 3 times growth of Bitcoin, and if you want to look at the entire market cap, they're saying that the market cap for all cryptocurrencies, if it correlates, it would be over a billion. Over a trillion, because we're at 400 billion right now. If it's times 3, it's going to be 1.2 trillion. So this is what I've been saying during the entire crash, that I'm very bullish on cryptocurrencies, and I like stocks, but I feel like you're not going to get 3 times growth in the stock market this year. And there is downside if there's deleveraging issues and if central banks keep raising rates. So yeah, I'm bullish on crypto, but I wouldn't put all my money in cryptocurrency. For me, I'm actually 50-50. So about 50% of what I own in stocks is what I own in crypto. And I like that. Majority of my money is actually in real estate holdings, which I'm very fortunate to be able to do. And I do carry a lot of cash just because I like to buy dips, and you can't buy dips if you don't have any cash. So I would say total portfolio, it's 10% crypto, 10% stock, and then 80% is just cash and real estate. But maybe I'll regret that, because if Bitcoin does go up times 3, I don't know if I'm going to get that on my real estate. But I like real estate because it's very tangible, and I live in Southern California where I don't have to really worry about finding tenants. They're pretty easy to rent out the properties. And I don't know if you watch the news, but we have a housing problem. So I am very bullish on real estate, but I would not buy in this market. It's totally overpriced. There's an asset class for this year that I want to own. It's Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you watch this channel, we kind of go over the currencies that we're interested in. So I'm very bullish on cryptocurrencies, and it's funny to see the mainstream media. I mean, hey, we got someone that's saying it's going to triple. If you watch my videos, I was making statements that it would hit 1 trillion, which is close to tripling. But I think it's great. I think people are going to get on the bandwagon. And like I said, there could be a dip. It might go down again. But long term, if you're going to be looking at the end of 2018, it's going to go up. And I don't know if you understand, if you're an American citizen, you do want to hold cryptocurrencies. Even stocks and stuff like that, you want to hold it for over a year so you don't get hit with capital gains tax. That's much higher. It's income tax. But if you hold your crypto or your stocks for over a year, it's capital gains. And thanks to Trump, it's much lower than paying income tax. So another thing to consider. So if you are trying to be a trader and buy in and buy out, I would have your money on Chinese exchanges instead of US exchanges, because you're gonna Uncle Sam's gonna come and try to get their money. Don't mess with Uncle Sam. But let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm definitely more bullish on cryptocurrencies, and I do see this. I mean, hell, CNBC said it was 1.2 trillion. So I'll go ahead and agree with them. I think that this will go up times 3. So it's a great time to get into crypto, but don't put all your money into crypto, and always hold a little bit of cash to buy dips, whether it's stocks or cryptocurrency.